A muster station, the maritime safety. A muster station is a designated location on a ship where passengers and crew members assemble in the event of an emergency. These locations are determined and clearly marked with signs often indicated on the ships. Emergency evacuation plan. In the event of an emergency, everyone on board is required to proceed to their assigned muster station and await further instruction. Muster drills are conducted regularly to ensure that everyone is familiar with their designated station and the procedures to be followed in case of an emergency. Emergency procedures is everyone guide. The first is fire alarm. Signal, continuous ringing of the ship's electrical bell or continuous sounding of the ship's horn. Crew, proceed to the fire station, locate the fire, and perform duties as outlined in the master list. Passengers, proceed to the designated master station and await further instruction. Next is general alarm. Signal, 7 or more short blasts followed by one long blast on the ship's whistle or siren repeated on the alarm system. Crew, proceed to their assigned master station wearing life jackets and prepare for potential evacuation. Passenger, proceed to their designated master station and await further instructions. Next is abandon ship alarm. Signal, verbally announced by the master to the officer in charge of lifeboats. Crew, proceed to their assigned master station wearing life jackets and prepare to evacuate the ship. Passengers, proceed to the designated master station and wait further instructions. The next is man overboard. Signal, 3 long blasts on the ship's whistle repeated on the alarm system to inform nearby vessel. Crew, proceed to master station to assist in the recovery of the person overboard. Passenger, proceed to the designated master station and await further instruction. Next is CO2 alarm. Signal, audible and visual alarm distinct from other ship alarm signals. Crew, evacuate an affected space engine room of cargo hold and proceed to their assigned master station. Passenger, proceed to the designated master station and await further instructions. Next is engineer's call. Signal, an alarm specific to the engine room indicating a machinery failure. Crew, all ship's engineers assemble in the engine control room to address the issue. Next is cargo hold flooding. Signal, the general alarm is raised and the master is informed immediately. Crew, take immediate action to contain the flooding to the affected hold. Passengers, proceed to the designated master station and await further instructions. Next is pollution prevention. Signal, any suspected oil spill is immediately reported to the watch officer. Crew, the oil pollution control officer will direct the crew to assist in preventing further pollution. Passenger, proceed to the designated master station and await further instructions. Next is engine room flooding. The general alarm is raised and the chief engineer is called immediately. Crew, take immediate action to prevent further seawater from entering the engine room and establish emergency in accordance with the chief engineer. Passenger, proceed to the designated master station and await further instructions. The importance of training and drills. Regular training and drills are crucial for ensuring the safety of passengers and crew in the event of an emergency. This exercise is familiarize everyone with their assigned master station and emergency procedures, develop a sense of calm and order in stressful situations, identify potential weaknesses in procedures, and make necessary adjustments. Ensure that all equipment is in working order and readily accessible, build teamwork and communication skills among crew members. By taking part in training and drills, everyone on board can contribute to a safe and effective response to any emergency.